Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting essentials so you can act immediately. First, sign into your Google account and confirm API access. If billing is required, add a payment method now. Next, install Python 3, 10 or newer and create a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. Then, request a Gemini API key from the console and export it to Gemini API KEY in your shell. Once done, install the official client library and verify connectivity with a simple test call. This prevents wasted time later. You now construct the core integration so requests succeed. Start by installing and importing the Gemini client library, then initialize the client with your API key loaded from the environment. Next, build a request payload specifying model name, temperature, max tokens, and set language to English so responses are consistently in English. Also implement retries and exponential backoff for transient errors, and validate responses for expected fields. Make sure to log request ID for debugging and test with short prompts before scaling up to production. You finish by hardening the integration and preparing for problems. Add input sanitization and rate limiting, and cache frequent replies to reduce cost. Once implemented, instrument metrics for latency, error rate, and spending. Deploy with staged rollout and enable alerts so you catch regressions early. If something goes wrong, first verify your Gemini API KEY, project permissions, and quota. Next, confirm request JSON matches the API spec, and that language equals N is set. If errors persist, reproduce locally with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.